Alright guys, in today's video what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of feeding. Going to give you a little bit of explanation about the animals. Also going to give you a little update on some things and let y'all know what's going on around here. And the explanation behind why we call this Anderson's Ark is because I like to have things in pairs. Most of everything we have is in pairs. We got Pancake and we got Jane. And we're going to see if they're ready to eat. I don't know if they are or not. But we also had Jane lay some eggs. And I'll give you an update on the eggs and everything here in a few. Now these are our two beautiful black throat monitors. Pancake, I have had him since he was just a little baby. Jane, we picked her up around last October from Jerry over at Wolf's World. And as you can tell, she ain't a very happy one. We're gonna not disturb them too much anymore, and I'll pick it back up when we feed the next one, guys. Alright, here we have two of our white throat monitors. This is a female. That's our big boy, the male down there. That's Walter. This is Paige 2.0. And we're about to watch them eat. She's a feisty one when it comes to food, as you can tell. She a feisty one. Today is also water change day, so we got to do all that stuff here in a minute. Alright guys, I'll pick it back up at the next one. I don't know how well y'all can see her, but here's our beautiful black dragon female that we picked up from Mr. Jerry Wolf over there at Wolf's World. She has been doing a lot of digging, and I think she is about to lay her first clutch of eggs. They will be unfertile, but we got a male right next door that I think we'll be able to pair her with and have some baby black dragons here soon. Alright, I'll pick it up when we get to the next one. Here's some of our bunnies we have. If y'all can think of any names, we got 3 of them. We have this gray one, which is a female. We have this white one, which is a male. And then we got a brown one that is hiding right now, but she is a female. So if y'all can think of some names, hey, comment them down below and let us know. Alright guys, we're about to go in here with Gizmo. Well, Gizmo didn't even give us time. He didn't even give us time to try to get him up there to show you how he eats, but let's see if I can get a better video of him. Yeah, Gizmo does not like to play when it comes to his food, but we are about to start building him a new cage, and he is going to get a huge upgrade for him and his little girlfriend. I'll give y'all an update when we get to the next animal. Alright guys, here's an update on Yeet Yeet. Yeet Yeet is getting huge. If you go back and watch our video of getting him, he was so tiny. But here he is. That is. He's getting where he likes to be around us a lot more. Yeah. Such a cool little bird. Alright guys, I think the next thing we're going to do, we'll give you an update on the Jane eggs, and the caiman, and a couple of little things. Alright guys, here's our little snapping turtle. And if you look down here, we have our female caiman. Now I know y'all are sitting there wondering, he said he likes things in pairs, so how's this gonna work? Well, the way we're thinking, you got an alligator, got a snapping turtle, we're gonna make alligator snapping turtles. That's what we're thinking. So we'll keep y'all an update on our alligator snapping turtle breedings as it goes down. Now as far as our update on the Jane eggs, she laid 18 of them. And we only got 2 that might make it. So when it comes to this stuff, we're still trying to figure this out. This is our first clutch ever. But we'll keep y'all updated, let you know if they hatch. And if they do, we're gonna be very excited about that one. Next up, we're about to go feed the other white throat female and the rhino iguana. We are hoping we're gonna get us a female rhino iguana at the next reptile show, maybe. Now this is something I don't always recommend doing, but we are gonna feed a little bit of chicken, let him have a little bit of protein. As you can tell, he is a sweetheart. He is just nibbling down on some watermelon. So we figure a little bit of protein be good for him. Next up is the last monitor we have to feed, and it's gonna be our little white throat monitor that was originally named Paige, but we ended up pairing that one over there, and he got Walter and Paige from the show Scorpion. So I'll get back to you as soon as we start feeding her. Here is our young female white throat monitor. We'll see if that piece is a little bit easier for her. We'll pick this back up here in a little bit. We'll let her go try to eat this. If she can't get that down, I'll go break it up some a little bit smaller pieces. But when you do it like this, it helps them like they're eating out there in the wild. Lets them get used to doing some things like that. It's good for them. But we'll pick it back up here in a minute, guys. I think she enjoyed that piece a little bit better, but we're gonna leave the other pieces in there. Maybe she'll get some good enrichment and get them down. All right, guys, I'll pick it back up here when we get to the next animal. All right, guys, here are some of our tortoises. In here, we have 5 redfoots, which 2 of them are cherry heads, and then we have 4 sulcatas. We're about to be working on an enclosure to get them all separated. But these guys are getting huge. We actually had 2 of them come from Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch, which, hey, if y'all don't mind, reach out to Blake and tell him to send us some quail. Y'all go over there and like his channel, and in return tell him Anderson Ark needs some quail like ASAP, and tell him we'd appreciate it. All right, guys, I'll pick it up when we get to the next tortoises. All right, guys, here is going to be our update on our tortoise enclosure. Looking good. There's one of our leopard tortoises. There's the other 2. There's our little redfoot. Just a little update on this enclosure. Alright, guys, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Also, I'd ask y'all to, hey, subscribe, like, share this video, help us get some subs. Also, hey, whatever your dreams are, chase them. Don't let anybody stand in your way. Keep pushing through and just keep doing what you want to do and enjoy life. Because if you don't go chase your dreams, you're going to miss out on opportunities like this. So, with that being said, y'all subscribe and join the art, guys. We'll see you next time.